Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync sticky notes across devices in Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open sticky notes on your PC. Once the application is launched and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all the settings and sync options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a menu appear with various options. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. This is the crucial step that allows you to connect your sticky notes to your Microsoft account, enabling synchronization across all your devices. By signing in, you ensure that any notes you create or edit will be accessible from any Windows 10 device where you're logged in with the same account. Now, a new window will pop up asking you to choose your account type. You'll see two options here: Microsoft account or work or school account. Select the option that applies to you based on which type of account you want to use for syncing your sticky notes. Then click Continue to move forward with the sign-in process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. In the first field, type in your Microsoft email, phone number, or Skype ID, whichever you use to access your Microsoft account. After entering this information, click Next to proceed to the password verification step. On the following screen, you'll need to enter your password associated with your Microsoft account. Type it carefully to ensure accuracy, then click Sign In to complete the authentication process. This will link your sticky notes to your Microsoft account and prepare them for synchronization across your devices. Once you're signed in, head back to the upper right corner of the sticky notes window and click on the gear icon again. This will reopen the settings menu, but now you'll have access to additional sync options since you're logged in with your Microsoft account. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Sync Now option. This feature allows you to manually trigger a synchronization of all your sticky notes to the cloud immediately. Click on Sync Now to ensure all your current notes are uploaded and ready to access from any other Windows 10 device where you're signed in with the same Microsoft account. And that's it. Your sticky notes are now synced across all your devices, so you can access them anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.